Yeah, man, big and bad. So me I say, yeah, big and bad. And me I say, yo, good night again. Yeah, and a pleasant night to all of you Jamaicans who are watch this video yeah. Straight, live. So me I say, yeah, well, with all said and done, yeah, we know a lot of people, a lot of artists have problem with Vibes Cartel through Lackway. You see me? I don't know why, but you don't ever see this Jamaica people, you never pray this yet with Cartel. You notice that all of the name them where them a call up. You ever hear Cartel call none of them name? You see Cartel a worry about none of them? Eh? Him nah worry about none of them. So me I say. So, just pray this Jamaica people and look for yourself. Cartel are really out. Yeah. Are really out. Yeah. Because the man sing him songs, the man are really out. Yeah. And if Jesus Christ it come from earth, and so much people never did like him. Just read between the lines of Jamaican people, no matter what you're doing in life. You see me? Because everybody a call Cartel name. Some do to get a hype, to get a forward. You see what I say? But listen and look, before you even Cartel him go behind bars, even before you lock up. You see me? Some people call him name and even pay no mind. Apart from when him and apart from when him and certain man are war. You see me? Like lyrical war. I don't want to call certain man name, you see me? Yeah. But apart from when him and certain man are war, forget a hype off of him, you see me? But apart from that, from him, before he even Lackway, and him Lackway now, you notice if you hear everybody I say Cartel of this, Cartel of that, Cartel of this. You see, you know see Cartel and none of them? Eh? Even someone are just busting at the business. You see me? I throw out upon the man. And I just one song the man says, intelligently, I'm not calling no man name like a man I say, man call artist name I say that song the Cartel, the song the artist there. Cartel no call no artist name, brother. The man is so real that, yo, the man even worry about whosoever where I call his name in a certain thing. You see what I say? The man just humble himself and I go through. He not pay nobody no mind. You never pray that Jamaican. The man so real, brother. The man not cause no more problem. You see me? Because that's calling to what them say, him cause problem for the Dutch part in there. Which, that's what them say, and I me I say so. But me I say, yo, Cartel is so real. If him never so real, Jamaica people are fans them only hold on upon him up to this very day. Me I tell you that. Yeah. I know that's where Cartel come from. Cartel come from way back when, got through all kind of something just like other artists. And him fight him way up to get this spotlight of women now. And the space where him then a dancer right now. You see me? You see me? Dancehall hero, dancehall king. What you say? Gaza. You see me? So that's what the thing said. No need to bad mind a man. You see me? Cartel not worry about nobody will call him name. Even when him out here, some man will call up him name. I don't answer them. If a man call him name, he will sing a song, yes, and reply back to the song, because a man look lyrical or so, you know it go. But apart from that, you notice all the people them, we are looking forward of a Cartel name, and I call Cartel this and say Cartel that, and say them know this about Cartel. I forward some of them are looking up. But you notice the Cartel never answer back some of them. If even the government allow him to voice, which me that glad if the government allow him to do that. You see me? Because nobody know how to keep dancehall going. You see me? Not even the band my boss for there. Yeah. Him can't hold dancehall like them like Vibes Cartel. You see me I say? Straight. I tell you. So watch out. Cartel are real with Jamaican people. Because I know say if him never real, the Gaza nation don't know hold on upon him so long. You see me I say? My brother give up and go join the other side. I'm really and truly to say the Gaza nation really a different cartel to the max. Because if a man can get arrested, me never see it happen in Jamaica yet. The first me see a man get arrested and people are demonstrate on a black road. Me never see that yet in my whole entire life. Me not tell no lie. Me not see it happen to no artist in Jamaica but cartel. So God give cartel a special power, brother, and a special gift. So some of them will criticize the man and I do all kind of fuckery and I talk about the man at this and the man at that. Some of them do some fuckery out there where you don't get catch it. That me I say. So yo, hear what me I say, man. Me I beg, not just him fans them. Even if you don't like him, man, say a word of prayer for the man because anybody can end up which part him there right now. Prisoner make for dog rasta. Yeah, and the man is so real. Everything where you hear the man sing, the man sing a song say, man a real youth. And the man really for true kind of say everybody a call him name. Like them a try call him name to keep him down more. You see me? And them that say boy cartel now go free. You see if God send for free, nobody can stop that. You see what me I say? Yeah. Because me see bigger man than him go to prison and come out. Get too much here and then come out. God work miracles. God work in mysterious ways. So we all what some we do, I pray for the man. And about and stop. Some we pray. Me not say me, but some own out there. When I like him man. On I bet if you no go down upon and say a word of prayer for all the world behind bars. You know see the change of God make for them. You know that surprise. If you know say God will answer on a prayer. But somehow I kick down the man like him are the worst thing. Him is not the worst. That is why you see the Gaza nation now let go for him because the man do him work. Him satisfy him fans them. Him give dance all a forward and a hype. And him give him make dance all get more interesting. You see what me I say? So yo, me don't know brother. Me know everywhere you go bad mind people there, you know. But boy, you hear me? A Gaza me say, you know, straight. Gaza, me no care what them want say. But me all me can say Gaza, me all me can say. Cartel a real you. Straight.
Drink a boat, I feel your clothes. You know black baby can't say your body froze. No, me no see no glass. But me have a hose. Frighten you, the like say you see a ghost. Baby in your mouth, nose, ring in your nose. Tell me love you, me nah if I no suppose. Move with a groove like you a listen souls. Baby, that you me say me nah say them and those. I know you think things fall and I hope in your belly, baby, big thing down.